Attorney, on behalf of Bumbu Radio Balay-Balay, congratulations on passing the bar examination for 2025. Attorney, ulit pwede ba ito masayran o unsay mo motivation nga nung gusto nimo gumamay yung mga abogado?
First of all, given man gyud ang families. Ang akong family is one of my biggest motivation. Then the church. Also, upon dealing with different kind of people, I found it very fulfilling po na I will be able to help those with experiences in which I could say na makatabang ko if I will become a lawyer. The journey from since law school up to bar up to now is it was never easy. However, I was able to manage it through building a strong support system. So I have a supportive family, supportive office mates, of course, my College of Law family, the church, my church mates. So they were there. They were supportive of me. And when there are times when I almost gave up, so their faith in me kept me going. And then when I learned that I am among this year's bar top notchers, I cried and kept on uttering the words, "Thank you, Lord." So all I felt was joy and gratitude.
Pero attorney, expect mo during way back then nga nag-take ka examination, na-expect ba ka or imong isa sa imong goal nga maapil ka sa top lectures?
Wala po nag-expect yun. Well, I never expected because after finishing the bar exams, to me, dili siya sayon. And dili ko sure sa akong mga answers. But I really put all my trust in the Lord. Kaya ang ako naging prayer is, Lord, if it will be for your greater glory, then let me pass. If not, then fail me. So, mao ra gyud prayer mi ako ang ginabalik-balik na prayer. And although naay random thoughts, kanang mo gud ko mag-eskwela, magbaklay lang man ko here to College of Law. Nung magtan-aw ko sa kanang nabitaw bag-o nakapasar na mga lawyers, random thought lang aning ko nga, Lord, someday I want to give honor to Bukidnon State University. Pero ano na to? Random thought lang to. So murag karon pa siya nag-sink in nga kanang prayers really work. Ano siya na weird siya pero yes, more it was a childhood dream. Kay I remember when I was in second year high school, then we were given an assignment to prepare a speech in portraying ourselves as already professionals. So I portrayed myself as a CPA lawyer. However, when I got married, then na-busy na po sa trabaho, and then I had 3 children. So, murag nakalimutan ako siya. Until such time na ay one experience nga naka-awaken sa ako ang moto nga ako ang gi-continue ang ako ang dream of becoming a lawyer.
Attorney, how was the preparation? Like, ikaw ba tumuti ko examination? Nagrabe yun ang kaniang study? Or naman po giuban nga di kasi lang mag-study pero makapasar di ako attorney? In your editor?
Ako, I really did my part para sa ako. During the bar journey, para sa ako, I did my best. Although, siguro, dili mo kita makaingon nga you are at your 100%, pero on my part, I did my best. So, my routine was, before opening law books, I really read a chapter or 2 of the Bible to clear my mind. And of course, knowing that everything comes from Him. So, kung dili nimo siya unahon, wala gyud mo follow. So, I read a chapter or 2 of the Bible, then read kanang selected books, based sa ako ang preference, kung asa ko mas makasabot. Then, if I find legal provisions difficult, I rewrite it according to my own words. And then, kuan po dayon, I enrolled review center sa Legal Edge. I also enrolled with Dean Ralph Sarmiento's coaching program. I also wholeheartedly participated the College of Law, Bukso College of Law bar drills. So I never missed one. And then I set a target every day na naagi yung number of pages nga akong mabasa. So, and I remained faithful to this routine.
Attorney, sa background sa imong family, doon na ba'y abogada or abogado po or ikaw ang first nga mahimong lawyer?
I am
You
the
are.
first.
So how does it feel nga sa imong family ikaw ang pinakauna nga mahimong abogado do? Naapod ba'y part sa imong parents nga dream po nila para sa imong mahimong kang abogada?
Sa ako ang part na it is very humbling, no, and then yes, ang ako ang parents, even my siblings, no, upon knowing the result, nagilakid sila kay kanang they have seen my hard work for since day one, and then once it was only a childhood dream, it became a family dream. So even ang mga tao sa akong palibot po, so mo na nga nagdakan kayo ang happy because they have seen how I've worked hard for this.
Attorney, first time niyo mo nag-date.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Good attorney, what's your plan after this? Or piliun ba nimo nga mag-private as a lawyer? Or manar gusto ka sa about to help the kanibang mga lalo na mga personality?
For now, I intend to stay with Land Bank sa Gyud. Kay si Land Bank, I can here at Land Bank ma-apply man pud nako ang legal knowledge. Tapos I also believe na even na ako din hiya, I can still pay back to the community, through raising awareness sa mga rights and obligations sa ato ang rural communities katong wala kaayoy access sa law or katong murag maano pa sila ba murag ma-intimidate pa sila nga muduol sa atong authority. So to raise awareness, so that's one of my advocacies po.
Attorney, you mentioned earlier na doon na kayo tulog ka anak. Say, imong like lesson nga gusto i-impart sa ilaha, ilabi na sa imong journey karon from law school up until nga nakapasar ka.
I want to instill to them not just the value of hard work, but also determination and perseverance. So, as long as anak, you will never go wrong.
So, in the future, attorney, makita ba nimo sa mga anak na follow sa mga steps as attorney?
For now, dili pa ko kuan sa ilaha, oo, because I always encourage them to pursue what they want, what they love. Oo. So, ang ako alang is to be there for them as a guide. But if they wish to, I would be kanang happy.
Okay, sige, attorney, unsay imong message karon kay kabalo kita nga ang mga out of 11,000 kapin na mga nagpitay, daghan gyud ang mga kapila na mga takers ato, more than 10 ana, and then ang karon possibly wala pa gyapon palara. And naiuban nga kausap nakapasar same as you. Unsay imong message sa ilaha attorney?
My message is that keep pursuing. No, as our bar mom said na failure in this bar exam should never define them as a person, as an individual, because finishing the bar exams, grabe gid siya ka-exhausting. So it is in itself an achievement. So I really have a high regard to those who have the courage to keep pursuing of becoming a lawyer. Kay dili gid lalim. So kuan lang yun, padayon, and in God's time, it will be given.
Alright, attorney, last question. Kay daghan pud ka pangutan unsa day mo secret ngaro daw napil ka sa top. Attorney mo tuo ba daw ka na bitaw like or sa ka na mag-take og mga let nga magpatahal sa nakapasar before, magsuot og kani mga underwear nga convert. Attorney ka ka na.
Actually, wala gyud. Naay nag-chat sa ako, my only secret is that prayers lang gyud. Sa bar exam ang good na ay 30 minutes nga silent, mura siya silent time. Na like, pwede ka mag-nap, wala lang. So, I spent that 30 minutes praying. Like, having a conversation lang gyud with the Lord. Praying lang. Si Lord ra gyud ang secret. My only secret is the Lord.
Okay. Attorney, one last, how do you recommend po di ay ang Bukso Law School na imuha pong belief alma mater at ang Philippine State University and the because nag-take sa imuhang proceed sa law. How do you recommend as well, labi na sa tuwang dean, si
Dean
Attorney
Pierre,
Tony Zamora.
Okay. Well, if you are an aspiring lawyer, law student, Bukidnon State University, in enrolling in Bukidnon State University, you will have a full support yun. Since day one of the law school, you will already be trained as a lawyer. So, dapat naa na gid sa imuhang mindset. And then, as our professors taught us that preparation for the bar exam should start in your day one of law school. So, ana ang training sa Bukidnon State University College of Law. Tapos, ang mga full of professors are very competent and sila, well-trained pud sila ani nga profession. And then, even after graduation, they will be there for you to really succeed in the bar exam. So, naay mga bar drills, and then, si Dean Pierre, permigit siya ga-monitor sa amuan. And then, providing us not just prayers, but the tips needed for the bar exams.
Attorney, just a brief last question. Like, attorney, brief lang nga background. Pwede mo masayaran ang background sa mga family, mga parents.
Okay. Ako, I was raised sa San Francisco, Agusan del Sur. So, dito ko ni-graduate elementary and high school. Ang akong parents were farmers then. So, scholar, o kanang nabuhi rapod ko o kanang scholarships. Scholarship sa government. So, then, pag abot ko din sa, scholar lang gihapon sa CMU. Sa CMU ko actually nag-graduate sa ako ang accountancy. So congratulations sa ako ang mga batchmates ug sa tanan nga mga passers from Bukidnon State University College of Law. I am so happy and proud for us all, and most especially for the College of Law.